Hi, this is Gajanan from Tech Rudranshi. Today we will see master checkbox. So let's see a quick demo. So when we check all and uncheck, right? So this value should be stored in a database. It means you choose your favorite color, right? So here is the red, orange, yellow, green. These are the colors. When you save, data saved successfully and it's okay. And let's check in a database. You can see red, orange, yellow, green, blue. And when check, okay, red, orange, two colors and save, data saved successfully. And let's check, right? So at this time it's two colors, right? So let's include yellow and save and see in database red, orange, and yellow, right? So let's also include blue and save, data saved successfully. And let's check in the table red, orange, yellow, and this is master check. So this thing we will do step by step in this tutorial, right? So we need to create a project. I'm using NetBean, and you can create also here inside a htdoc, right? But NetBean will do a lots of thing for me. So let's create a php project, php application, and you can give any project name. I am giving test project. You can give any name of your project, and let's finish it. So here is the simple html code, right? Let's little bit zoom in and let's remove the php code and put it title whatever you can, any title you can put your html page. And here we will type our code, make this html, this checkboxes. So first we need to create a div and give it a class container. You can give any name, right? But please follow, I will recommend you to follow my code. So h4, so this is choose your favorite color. Just copy and paste it here and let's run it. So you can see our page look like this. So now we need to create a checkbox. So let's enter and put it input type checkbox and put it id and its id name. You can put any id name, right? I'm putting it ckb check all. This is the master check. And let's put check all and hr tag horizontal row, and you can see it's look like. And some more checkboxes we need. So first we need to create a div should be close. And here is the some more checkboxes red, orange, yellow, green, and any other. So div and give it id checkboxes. You can put any id it here. And inside I'm creating some more checkboxes, means some slave checkboxes, some child checkboxes. So its values red, put it br. Let's copy. Okay, let's see first. See, so now you can see this is the red checkbox. Let's copy and paste here, paste some more red. This is a orange checkbox. Let's copy and paste its values here also. Yellow, copy and paste it here. And green checkbox, and let's put its values also green and paste one more. For blue, you can put lots of blue. But now when you check it all, it's not working like our demo. You can see, cool. So what we will do next is here we need a save button, which is this one. So input type button id, you can put it any id. I'm putting save value and its value I'm putting save. And let's see, so it's perfect. So now we need to put this content in a center. So we need CSS file. So just right click and put a cascading style sheet, means a CSS file style. So let's remove this comments, and this CSS file we need to include inside head section. So link href style.css, and it's related to style sheet, and its type is text CSS. So container class, so let's zoom in a little bit and put its max width. Let's zoom in, and its max width is 600 pixel. You can put any width of this container. Its margin 0 pixel auto, it means it should be a center. Look like it's cool, but it's not working. Check all. So to make functional to this HTML, we need to write some more code. So we need a jQuery. Here we need to put some script tag, and script tag should be close, and here we will write a code of jQuery. So first we need to I will give you a link to in a video description, code.jquery.com, and you need to copy this link CDN file of jQuery. Let's copy and paste it here, and you can manually type. So this is, I have added jQuery CDN. I have added jQuery inside my HTML page using CDN, right? So just copy save ID of the button, save value. When we click save button, some var value means wall. I'm creating a array because we need to collect all the values of checkboxes. So dot, okay, colon checkbox means this input type, right? So let's checkbox colon checked. If it is checked, right? So if it's a checked means all the checkbox is checked, right? Means each means all, and inside I'm putting a one parameter I. So var value, copy and paste value, and inside put it I is equals to whatever checkbox you have checked, right? So this dot value, so the current checkbox is checked, so that's value is stored in a value inside array. So when we click and save, red, orange, yellow, so red, orange, yellow, blue, so it will give all the values of the checkboxes. So here we will write a jQuery ajax to send the data to a PHP. So just wait for that. Also we need to this for master check. So master check is not working at here. So master check, when we check master check, all checkboxes should be checked. So document.ready and function, so has, this is for master check, which is here master check. This is its copy its ID. This is master check, copy and paste here. Dot click, when we click master check, and this function will perform. So dollar dot dot all the classes of the checkbox. Let's copy and paste it here, and dot prop, this function, just put it prop function, and here we will call checked if it is checked, right? So all the checkbox is checked, so the current checkbox is also prop prop, and just put it checked and semicolon. Save. But here is the problem, it's not working yet. So let's check the error. Here is working and here is not working when we check all. So problem is, just put it inside a single quotation and save and refresh and see it's working. Save. Okay, save. It's not working. Okay, it's working. Just wait. Okay, rate, save, check all. So what is the problem is, put the alert box, just remove the space from here, and I just forgot alert. Okay, it's working. So value, it's put it all alert, and wall means value. So when check it all, and it shows all the values of the checkboxes, red, orange, yellow. But here is the problem, when check all, it shows on here. Just remove the on. This check, but this is the master checkbox and its value is on. So just remove the on from the array, just put it in not, and this checkbox we don't want to get its value because this is the master checkbox, and save. So you can see red, orange, yellow, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and just remove orange and save. So remove orange is gone. So next thing, just remove the alert and put it here, hx, jQuery ajax. This is the $.ajax, and curly brackets and semicolon, semicolon, and hit enter. So type, its a type is post because we are sending JS this file to a PHP, so data.php. So this file is not present yet, so we need to create data.php. Let's finish, and this is the file data.php. So data, we will send the data. What type of data we are sending? It's value, right? The value, you can put it any name of in place of value, but this wall is the array. And success, if it is success, it will send the response or data. So put it single, put it one parameter data, and alert, alert or console.log and data, and save. And say data.php, come here data.php, and put echo, and for dummy content, okay, save. And let's refresh, check all, save, inspect, and go to console, and you can see it's okay. Check all, save, okay. So it's fine. So we need to store this data inside a database. So if it set this value, if value set, we will copy this name and print r, paste it here, same, semicolon, and save. Check all and save. So these are the array, all the values which is sending to data.php. So we will convert this array into string. So we will use a PHP inbuilt PHP function, which is a implode. So this is the separator, using comma, and paste the array and echo it, echo colors, save, and let's refresh, check all, save, and red, orange, yellow, just remove green and blue, and just only yellow. So now you can see it's working fine. Next thing, we will store this string of colors inside a database. So storing in a DB. So we need to create a PHP class, and I'm giving its name DB. You can give any name of your database connection file. Let's remove this one also, and here private. Here we will create some property of this class. Server name, by default its a server name is localhost. Servers database username is root, and it's private because we don't want to access these values in any other files and class. So I'm putting it's a private. Password is blank because my database password is blank. And db name, we don't have a db name. test colors, we will create database localhost and php my admin new. Here we will create a new database for storing a value of colors, our favorite colors. So just paste test colors, create, and inside we will create a table colors, and its field name id and auto increment, okay, and name of the color names or names, and it's a text, and save. So now we have created tables. So create a constructor of this class. Constructor, we are not putting any code inside a constructor. And let's create another method or function of db, and new connection, new mysql I, and it will take some parameters. So this dot server name, which is localhost, this username, which is root, and this dot password, which is blank of our database, and this dot db, which is db name, whatever your db name. So if connection means db gives any error, so connection and connection error, connect errors, so it will stop our script. Connection failed, and show the message to the user, connection or connect error, semicolon. And if connection is okay, we will return a connection. So this functionality we will use inside any file, inside a database.php, any file, but I'm using inside a database.php. So let's include db.php and create an object of db class. So db object equals to new db, and db object, and call method which is db, which is this one. So db, we will write a query it here, SQL insert, and here is the query to insert a data inside a table. So let's copy this query, and db and query, query, this is inbuilt functions of the mysqli. So let's copy this query and paste it here. So names, so this is the colors name, a single quotation, and put it here. So let's control X and put inside if condition. If data is stored in a table, so we can say data successfully saved. So just put it success, save, and let's run our application, refresh and check all, and save, and it says success. And let's check inside a table. So table is colors, which is this one, okay, and you can see red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and let's yellow, red and yellow, and success. So you can see orange and blue, like this. So this alert box is not inside our script to make inside here. So if data is equals to success, which is data.php, just copy this name and paste it here. If it is success, put it alert box, and so data successfully stored, data successfully stored, and bam, we have it done, and semicolon. So today we have seen master checkbox and store these values inside a database, right? So if you like, you can see here colors red, orange, yellow, green, right? So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you want to share, you can, and let me know what you think about my tutorial, right? So thanks for watching. Bye, take care.